Hello, my name is Jacob, and this is my Unity 2 project. This project was inspired by story games in Valorant. During class, I learned about making prefabs and scripting, which I used in my project. Prefabs. Making prefabs helped me make the models for more depth in game. Scripting and basic AI helped me make shooting, reloading, moving, double jumping in AI. Okay, in this first piece of code, I create a game object clone of a prefab bullet while setting its transform and velocity. I also set a timer for when you can shoot again. The timer ticks down by subtracting the time between frames to the timer using time.delta time. Here, using physics.checkSphere, I can find if the player is in range to be chased or shot using the logic statements below. So if you can't see the player at all, then I'll just wander, which is actually just placing a random point to move to and moves there and sets a new one. Chasing is when it can see the player, but it can't actually attack the player yet. And then attacking is when it's in range to shoot you. Okay, now it's time for a demo. Okay, so here you can press WASD are the controls, and you can press space to jump. So to jump, and you can double jump if you press space again. So 1, 2. So that's the tutorial to teach you how to use the basic movement controls. So here you have a crosshair, and to shoot the enemy, you have the aim your crosshair right there. Then you just shoot. So here on the bottom left corner, I have a canvas GUI where it shows your ammo, your health, and your armor. So right now, they'll start start shooting at me once I'm in range, and the other area is my health, and I'm about to die somehow in my own game. So that would be bad. No. Okay. It's so laggy. Okay, they're both dead now. So anyways, here, this is my map. It's made out of cubes that I made a set as prefabs to add I died. To add as decoration. So here you have the base blocks. And what I did was basically I just copied and pasted these blocks, like a lot of these blocks, to make the terrain that I have right now. And there's the canvas. Okay, that's it for the demo. Okay, my favorite part about working on this project was modeling. It was my favorite part because making the world look better was just so satisfying to me.
Share your slides.
If I were to continue to work on this project, I will add more skyscraper floors. Wait, am I not sharing?
You're not sharing your slides. I'm not sharing your slides. It's okay. Just do it.
Bro.
It's the video.
Wait, you can cut it, right?
We're still recording. They'll take care of it now.
Yeah, okay. Okay, if you're listening to this, cut it, please. If I were to continue to work on this project, I would add more skyscraper floor sound and better modeling. Thank you.
Nice.